Today we're going to be doing a speed test between the R2 Plus and the Moto G6 Play. Stay tuned.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
So looking at the internal specifications of each device, you can see that the Blue R2 Plus 2019 has a quad-core processor that's clocked at 1.5 gigahertz. It's running the PowerVR Rogue GE8100 for the GPU. Has 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage. It's going to be running Android 8.1 security patch of December 5th, 2018. Now with the Moto G6 Play, we have the quad-core processor as well. It's clocked at 1.4 gigahertz. It's going to be running the Adreno 308 for the GPU, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage as well. We're also going to be running Android 8.0 security patch of January 1st, 2019. For the Geekbench scores of each device, we see that we got a 650 for the single core score on the R2 Plus 2019 and a multi-core score of 1834. We also have 658, which is very close to the R2 Plus on the G6 Play here, and an 1854 on the multi-core score. And with the AnTuTu benchmark scores on each device, you can see that on the Blue R2 Plus 2019, it has the 42,813, and the Moto G6 Play has a 43,781. So a little bit difference when it comes to those scores there, but maybe we'll see the difference in performance when it comes to opening up the applications. So when I do speed tests here, what I do is a series of app opening tests to see which device opens up the applications faster. And afterwards, I test the RAM on each device because they both have 2 gigs, and I determine the winner based on that. Sounds cool? Let's go. So the first application we're going to open up here is the Play Store. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the G6 Play. The next application we're going to open up is YouTube. So 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the G6 Play. Next application we're going to open up is Amazon. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to, I'll give it a tie. Next application we're going to open up here is Instagram. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the R2 Plus. Next application we're going to open up is Twitter. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the G6 Play. Not even gonna let it finish loading there. Next application we're going to open up, one more time. Next application we're going to open up is Spotify. So 3, 2, 1. Pretty big app. This goes to the I guess I'll give it a tie. Next app we're going to open up is Google Plus. So 3, 2, 1. That goes to the G6 Play. Next application we're going to do is going to be the last one here is Netflix. So 3, 2, 1. All right, I guess I have to give that to the G6 Play. I'm gonna do one more. Next application is gonna be Twitch. So 3, 2, 1. And that goes to the R2 Plus. So now what we're gonna do here now is a RAM management test to see which device holds the applications better in the background. Keep in mind, both devices have 2 gigs of RAM, so this should be interesting. Let's try Play Store. That was held by the R2 Plus. Amazon, held by both devices. YouTube, held by both devices. Instagram, held by the R2 Plus. Twitter, held by the G6 Play. Spotify, held by both devices. Google Plus, held by both devices. Netflix, held by both devices. Twitch, held by both devices. Because I had a little bit of a hiccup earlier with the Twitter application, I'm going to have to give this one to the Moto G6 Play. It held the applications just as good as the R2 Plus, but not all the applications open up faster on the R2 Plus, and so I'm going to give the edge to the G6 Play. So if you guys want to see anything in particular with the R2 Plus 2019 in a future video, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you decide to, hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you'll be notified of it. And please share this video with your friends or family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. But until then, thanks for watching this video, y'all. Name's Max Rock. Have a good day. Deuces.
Nurse strap.